Well, we're back at this door again. We're going to use another trick. We use that hinge adjustment tool. As you can see, the gap on the hinge right here is as small as it's going to get. It's not hitting there anymore, but we could move it some more over. So what we do is go to the bottom hinge side, and we make this gap a little bit bigger, pushing the door over and up. And what we use to make that gap larger is an Allen key. What we do is we open the door, slide the Allen key in there, and close the door. Let's open it up. And then we close the door on the hinge. It's going to make this gap larger than what we had. And you can always use a larger one to accomplish this, and it'll help make that door gap at the top larger.